Hey guys, it's Lauren Scott here, and today I'm going to show you how to get this soft, natural glam look. It's perfect if you have to go to a wedding, or if you're in a wedding, or a bride, or any special event that you have to go to, because the last thing you want to do is pay to get your makeup done after you've already paid for your hair and your dress. Just one less thing to stress over. And a lot of the products I'm using today are from drugstores or your local beauty supply store. Really easy to do. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to achieve this look and be a stunner at whatever event you have to go to. Alright guys, let's get into it. First we're going to start by just brushing out the brows. It's getting them a little bit neat. My brows are a little bit raggedy, so they just need a little bit extra help. And then we're going to go in using regular eyebrow pencil from the beauty supply store. You know, you just run out of something and you need something quickly, it'll do. So you just want to go along the natural shape of your brows, just filling them in, giving them a little extra oomph. They don't have to be, you know, super crisp. At least I don't tend to do my brows super crisp and perfect, but just fill them in, make them look a little natural. Next, we're going to go in with the Benefit Porefessional Primer. Look how cute this little sampler is. You get it when you become, I think, a member at Sephora. They give you all these little samplers. Probably should have did this first, but you know, they're going to do it now. So you just want to put it all over your face. This helps just make sure your makeup stays in place all day. It doesn't move. I like this primer a lot. I'm laughing because I'm listening to this podcast. It's called the Magic Tavern. It is so funny. If you guys have any suggestions, what are you guys listening to? Leave some comments down below of some good podcasts to listen to. I listen to everything. Next, we're going to go in with the Loreal Infallible Total Cover Foundation in the color Classic Tan. And you just want to put this all over. I love this little squeeze tube. Makes stuff really simple. And then I take my Real Techniques buffing brush and blend it all in. And please don't forget your neck. You want to make sure your neck is the same color as your face. Very important. And then I'm going to take that same foundation and a little brush and just go in and clean up my brows a little bit. And you know, and I'll also spill some on my shirt because, you know, that's normal. So then you take it off of your shirt and then you use that to clean up your brows. This is normal, guys. This is just a normal mess in Lauren's life. And then I'm going to go back in and just brush my brows out a little bit just to make sure they have that natural look. And next, I'm going to go into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to use the color Warm Taupe. It's going to clean off my brush a little bit and go in there and put that color into the crease of my eyelid. Next, I'm going to go back into that same palette and use the Burnt Orange just to warm up the lid a little bit. I'm going to put that into the crease as well. Next, I'm going to go into just some random mystery beauty supply palette to use the gold out of there because I pretty much used up all the gold in my other palettes. And a quick tip, I spray my brush with rose water just to make the color pop a little bit more. You can use setting spray or maybe just regular water. It just helps to make any color, especially these drugstore palettes or beauty supply store palettes, just make the color stand out a little bit more. As you can see, it makes it just look a little bit more shiny. And then I'm going to go back into the Modern Renaissance palette and grab that burnt orange just to clean up any messiness with the gold. And then I decided I wanted the gold to pop even more. So I grabbed this metallic Sephora eyeshadow color. The color number is actually rubbed off, but any shimmery gold would do. And just pack that on the lid just to get a little bit more of a pow. Yeah, I like the way that looks. You can see the difference that it makes. And I probably should have gone back in and cleaned up the gold again, but I didn't. Next, we're gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Proline Felt Tip Eyeliner in black. It's gonna give myself a nice, sharp cat eye. Nothing is better than that feeling when you realize you like really did your cat eye right. Like, ooh, she cute. Ooh. Then I'm gonna go in with this NYX eyeliner and just line my waterline. And next I'm gonna use this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Natural and use that to highlight my face. I go underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, and my jawline. And now we're gonna go in with the damp Real Techniques blending sponge and just blend it all in. And now we're gonna use the Sephora No Mistakes foundation stick in the color Mahogany. And I love this because it's such a creamy formula. It blends so easily. I'm using the Real Techniques blending brush. And I'm just gonna blend all of this in and contour my face. Next, we're going with the Airspun powder, and we're going to use this to bake the places where I highlighted my face. I probably should have done this before I contoured, but I forgot. So here we are doing it now. And now eyelashes. These are just some simple lashes from the beauty supply store, and boop, now they're on. And we're gonna clean everything up with my eyeliner just to make sure that my eyeliner still looks nice and crisp. Now we're just gonna brush off the excess powder and go in with the blush. This is the Kiss Professional blush in the color Geranium, and put that on the apples of my cheeks. Now moving on to bronzer, I'm going to use the Milani Baked bronzer in the color Soleil. I spritz my brush again with a little rose water just to make the color pop a little bit more. And really I'm just going to put this all over my face just to warm everything up. And next I use the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter in the color Hustla Baby, and I put that in my tear ducts and on my brow bone and down the center of my nose and at the tip of my nose. Oh, and my cheeks as well, of course. Gotta highlight them cheeks, girl. And we're gonna go back to eyes real quick because I forgot to do mascara. I used the Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara just to blend in my real lashes with the fake lashes and to get that lower lash line a little bit. And now it's time for lips. I use a totally generic brown lip liner from the beauty supply store and just use it to line my lips all over. I really like to fill it in with the brown color. And then I use the Fenty Gloss Bomb lip gloss in the color Fenty Glow. I love this lip gloss, guys. It is the truth. I know everybody says it. It's true. If you don't have it, you're missing out. But once I put this on, we are done. So there you have it, guys. This is the final look. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to like, leave a comment, subscribe, and I will be back with a new video very soon. Bye.